LDPE is typically left with rust acts. Use it.
Look at the pressure spike right here on the thighs. Yes.
We need to redistribute that weight. Maybe soften the edge?
Yes, slightly deepening the curve should help.
The analysis shows massive reductions across the board, 90% less water use, and a 75%.
The color match is exact. This turquoise will look incredible on the poolside chairs. We'll start the full production run immediately.
Look what you accomplished together! Yay!
They're beautiful. I can't wait to use mine.
Priesteru, the iconic one-piece plastic chair, invented in the 1970s. Its simple, stackable, and durable design made it...
Look how the algorithm optimized the flat pack configuration.
That fits perfectly within the shipping constraints.
Careful now, just a slight adjustment to the clamp pressure.
Like this.
Perfect. You are now certified.
It's incredibly comfortable. The ergonomics are spot on.
I agree. The texture is perfect for the recycled material. Let's move forward with this design.
Turning waste into a valuable product creates stable, local jobs at multiple skill levels, supporting the circular economy.
The secret to the stackability is in the precise engineering. The tapered design allows for perfect nesting, while these stacking...
The reading on the compression flight is outside tolerance.
Yes, it's worn past the limit. We have to replace it immediately to maintain quality. The data clearly shows how color drives these commercial decisions, especially the vibrant reds for fast food. It's made entirely from recycled materials, yet incredibly durable.
The design is superb.
So the verified savings are substantial. We're looking at a clear negative cost per unit here.
Absolutely. This makes the recycled plastic highly competitive.
When does an object stop being waste and start being a resource? The answer lies not in the material.
Yeah, putting our hands up to the sky. We made it here together tonight.
A fine mist of silver ion-based antimicrobial solution is electrostatically applied, creating an invisible layer. These certifications are the universal language of quality and safety.
Good boy. Focus. Yes. Good job, buddy.
These chairs are holding up great.
Yeah, they're surprisingly comfortable for recycled plastic.
Shows we make a good product. The recycled material handles the stress here, but look at the heat map on the injection point.
We might need to adjust the gate location to...
E-audio features the sounds of an algorithm at work, characterized by digital blips, clicks, and processing.
The waste was piling up, and we realized we were part of the problem. Then we saw we could be the solution.
Remember, children, your
Trash has value.
Wow, look at the ruler. It is beautiful.
Look how vibrant these turned out.
The mandala pattern is my favorite.
It really brightens up the whole plaza.
That is a wonderful chair, sweetie. I know, right? It's exactly like the one I drew.